Here's why you don't want your content to actually go viral. If you're a video agency or some sort of agency that targets somebody that is a higher level person that makes more money and is more of an affluent demographic. And I think most people think, hey, I mean, even looking at my content, I don't get a ton of views, I don't get a ton of shares, saves. Like, I only get maybe, a couple hundred views on my reels and then maybe a couple hundred views on my YouTube videos. But we have some of the most potent content that attracts our perfect ideal person. And when they do watch our content, they end up moving forward and working with us. And I think it's a good lesson for a lot of people where, like, you do not want your content to go viral, because when you go viral, the majority of people are not affluent, like they do not have money. And so when you go viral, you get a bunch of people who are not your ideal person, who don't make a ton of money, to come in and reach out to you and work with you or want to work with you, and they end up not being qualified. And so when you see these YouTube videos that get millions of views, obviously like Mr. Beast, he appeals to literally every demographic, like every person. And when you look at what he has to be able to sell, he has to sell products on the back of that are consumer goods, like Feastables, like the Lunchables, like all of those products that would basically target somebody who is just a person who, likes food, likes chocolate, and it appeals to pretty much everybody in his market. Whereas with us, we are only trying to find people who are doing, 10, 20, 30, 40K a month and want to scale their agency. And same thing with the agencies that we work with. They only want to find clients that are affluent. There is a smaller pool of those types of people. And so you are physically not going to go viral unless you're doing something wrong. And I think a lot of people think that going viral means that you're successful, when in reality it's not. It has nothing to do with that. It's really, are you showing and demonstrating that you can solve somebody's problem? And if so, if you only get a couple hundred views, that's okay, because you're getting the right types of people. So it's more about the right types of people versus just getting tons of views. And don't let the vanity metrics of not getting a lot of views bother you, because you can make tons and tons of money getting a couple hundred views on YouTube and Instagram. So